Hello everyone, and welcome back for the latest installment of our vlog. Today, we are outside of Plainview number 4 for our final tour. The grass just got cut, everything's been power washed, the interior is fully cleaned, and we are ready to close tomorrow. But before we do that, of course, I was gonna bring you inside and bring you on a tour of our completed build. This home is located in Plainview, New York. It's 5 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and sold for just a hair under 1.2 million. Let's go inside so I can show you all the interior finishes. This home is situated on a 70 by 100 lot, and in the town of Oyster Bay, you can only build a house so big, so tall, and so wide on lots that are 60 or 70 or 80 by 100, so we pretty much max it out usually, and this is exactly what we ended up with. A center hall colonial with your formal living room on one side, dining room on the other. Let's come right through this main hallway right here so we can get to the main, wide open, entertaining spaces of this house. We've got a full bath here with a 3-piece bath. Tile to the ceiling, custom tiled shower, beautiful finishes. Our buyer got in early and they were able to choose pretty much everything from paint colors, wood floor stain, tile, cabinets, appliances, and so on. Now, a very important feature with many people working from home and multi-generational living setups is having that bedroom on the first floor. And that's exactly what we have without compromising anything on the first floor. Remember, we still have our formal living room and dining room, kitchen and family room, a full bath, and a bedroom. And that's not easy in a house this size while still having this nice open flow, but we were able to achieve that with a nice design, light and bright colors, and pretty much maxing out the footprint that we were allowed. So this is where you're gonna spend the majority of your time. So we made sure to include our buyer with all their choices. They picked these Fabby wood cabinets, KitchenAid appliances, Bosch range hood. Cooktop was very important to them. They didn't want that freestanding range look, so we got that in there. And many things that you see here are familiar. The crown moldings, the hi-hats, the rich wood floors. You've got a Regency P36 fireplace, Pella windows. We've got this beautiful sliding door to the backyard where I'm gonna bring you back in just a bit, but it's everything that you expect. Patio, sprinklers, PVC fence, and everything of the like. Now, right through this way, we've got a door from the garage, which is very convenient. If you're bringing your groceries in, you come right into the kitchen, and this hallway connects the kitchen with your formal dining room. The nice thing about a center hall colonial is you have this double height entry foyer right when you walk in the front door. It gives a really nice grand appearance. We've got a lot of natural light coming in through that foyer window, and the chandelier that our client selected really ties in all the elements from the exterior. Now let's go upstairs where we've got 4 bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and correction, I had said we had 3 bathrooms outside, but really this house has 4 bathrooms, including 2 en-suites upstairs. Now let's go upstairs where we're gonna start with the primary suite. I walked you through this house once before when everything was framed, and now we're ready for delivery. We've got this really nice high ceiling detail in the primary suite. We've got a closet here, another walk-in closet. Our buyer opted to do the closets after the closing. We simply didn't have enough time. And right through this pocket door, made by HD Pocket Doors, which is by far the best pocket door system in the business, we've got this really nice ensuite bath. Double vanity with quartz countertops, a separate space for the water closet with a door and exhaust fan. You've got a soaking tub here and this really nice marble custom tiled shower with niche. We've got a rain head shower, a handheld, and it's a nice comfortable size when you walk around. You're not gonna be banging your elbows inside this shower. Now let's go to the other 3 bedrooms. Through this really nice wide 5-foot hallway, we have bedroom number 2, a linen closet, a laundry, and 2 very nice sized, equally sized bedrooms, and all your standard features. Crown moldings, hi-hats, every light fixture in the center has got a fan box. You can put a chandelier or a fan. This room's got a walk-in closet and a subway tiled full bath. You've come to expect a certain level of finish from us, especially when it comes to the curb appeal, and this home is no different. We've got PVC fence, sprinklers, a 700 square foot patio, doors to the backyard, doors to the basement, and our buyer upgraded our standard 300 square foot patio to get this tremendous entertaining space in the backyard. And from the beginning, I've been saying that one of the draws of this property is the fact that there's no neighbor in back. You'll never have a house towering over your backyard because that house is a double lot. So you can start enjoying this backyard from day one and do it in total privacy. Thank you so much for joining me on this tour. This is Plainview number 4. We're closing tomorrow. I'm so excited, and I'm sure the new owner is very excited to start this new chapter in their life. If you like this content, please follow me on Instagram. @Pinnacle Real Estate is my handle, and please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much, and have a great